Hi Aaron, so here is this app which is called Color Widgets Photo Widget. So let's just install it, and then you can see that it's pretty big app. It's like 400 megabytes, 22,000 ratings. But yeah, this is one of those where you can really customize your phone and make it much more personal and better looking for you. And yeah, if you want to give your phone a new refreshing outfit, you can definitely use one of those apps. This app is pretty cool and it's one of the best ones in this category. You can get wallpapers here, you can get custom icons, you can get custom widgets, different types of wallpapers, also lock screen widgets if you have iOS 16, or if you have a newer phone, you can actually have this really cool lock screen widgets, and then static iOS 16 widgets, trending themes for every like holidays period or something like that. And then also you can install phones, and then also keyboard themes. So that's another feature of this app. And then also battery charging animation, where if you're charging your phone, you can just add some cool funky animation. And then also you can create a custom widget. So yeah, basically let's just open the app. And then here, select some categories you're interested in. So maybe that will already help you out with style. So yeah, for example, if I'm interested in aesthetic, neon and glitter. So then I can just tap continue. And then yeah, here you can just tap redesign your home screen. So that's basically what you can do. And then ask app not to track. So yeah, here you just different fonts. You have a keyboard where you can add this keyboard right here, and then you have also widgets which you can install. So here are the widgets available. And then you also have some widgets available for your lock screen, which you can install here. Then you also have themes, which you can just install here. So for example, if you have this theme, you can just try to use it. Unfortunately, in the free version, you will need to watch a lot of ads here. So yeah, let's just skip. So yeah, you can just install this theme. Oh, that's too many ads. And then here you just have widget, you have wallpaper, and you have icon. And then you can see, and then you can just swipe around and you can see all the themes. So for example, if you like this theme, you can just tap fast install icon. And then you will be able to fast install icons. In some apps they are using the shortcuts app. In other apps they are you need to use it's customized profile, and it's much easier, because if you manually install app by app, it will take some time. And then wallpaper, you already have something in similar color scheme, and then you can just install standard widgets, which are just your like day, the temperature, or something like that. And then of course you can customize and add much more different widgets, like countdown widget, batteries, weather, date, sunrise and sunset, health, like all of that. Even on home screen, these widgets are a bit bigger and bit brighter design here. So yeah, anything you can just do in these apps is pretty cool. This app is pretty advanced, I must say. And then yeah, of course you can set up all this charging animation. So this is how it will look like when your phone is charging. So it's like pretty cool, right? Especially with these new charging technologies, like wireless charging on iPhone, which you can use now on your models. Yeah, that's like pretty cool here. So yeah, and then you just have your keyboard. Yeah, if you so yeah, finally the ad is over. So here you can keyboard and use it as a theme. Fortunately, if you want, there are so many ads. Like if you want to skip all of those ads, because as you can see, the app really becomes unusable. You will need to upgrade here, and let's just go together through the upgrade options, um, which are available in this app. Um, so you can just close it. There, yes. Yeah, I must say, okay, they just overdid a bit with these apps here, but yeah. If I want to upgrade, I just want to see uh, what is the pricing. Okay, here there is some additional app actually just to get even more app icons. And then you can just upgrade here. So VIP subscription, no ads, finally 300 fonts and keyboard themes, create your own fonts, 3 days and 49 per week, multiple GIFs, hashtags and stickers, start free trial and plan. So yeah, that's basically what you can have here. Yeah, so that's the idea. So yeah, that's a subscription options. Hope you like this app. It's pretty cool. Definitely worth a try. So yeah, one of those apps. I think you will need to upgrade in one of those apps if you want to really customize your home screen, make like beautiful widgets. And here you can also make your own custom widgets and apps. But yeah, like select one of these apps. There are like Simify apps, some other like tons of apps. Just go through them. I also added a lot of video tutorials, and then just select one of those, and just probably you'll need to upgrade because you see that the ads are just unbearable. And then yeah, you can update the view of your iPhone screen like every month or whatever you like, and then that's really refreshes the home screen of your phone. You're annoyed by like the same standard icons and wallpapers, which yeah, it can be like so boring if you're just using all the same stuff. Anyhow, thank you for watching.